It's been a while since I did an Impala SS video, and in that time I really didn't do much. I had some work done to it by the mechanic to get it to be able to smog. He did something with the secondary air pump, which he had to repair because, of course, like anything else, parts are no longer available for this car. So hopefully I am able to get it smogged before another check engine light disqualifies me. But other than that, I think I'm going to leave the paint as is, just let it go. It has a clear coat peeling a lot, the top done. I tried some kind of peel coat, rough texture. Looks good here, but this part not so good. So did some of this rust vinyl. Just try to cover up the clear coat peeling. Rims, these rims are okay. I don't like them though. They look good from some angles, but I think I am gonna go the US Mags or the weld. I saw a picture of an Impala SS with the black and chrome welds. Look pretty clean, looks factory. And factory-ish look is what I'm going for. I did try to redo the factory rims. I think powder coating would be the best, or get some chrome factory ones. I've seen some online for about 500 to 1,000, but they're far away, so we'll see how that goes. Other than that, just drive it around, try to get it from rotting away. So yep, that's an update for the 96. Thanks for watching.